Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook a very simple dish. Ginisang Baguio beans and carrots with pork. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, carrots, Baguio beans, pork, onions, spring onions, garlic, tomatoes. So the garlic. Okay, saute the garlic and the onions and the white of the spring onions also. And then we're gonna add the tomatoes. Nataoy pork. Sauce. Pepper. Then we're gonna let it cook first, guys, the pork. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna let it cook first. Guys, so the meat is cooked. So we're gonna add the carrots. Baguio beans. Gonna add the oyster sauce. A pinch of salt. Okay, and then cover again. Still, na maluto na siya. Guys, look at, it's already done. Our ginisang Baguio beans and carrots with pork, it's done. Look at that one, and it's super yummy. Okay. I'm gonna off the heat. Okay guys, so that's our ginisang Baguio beans and carrots with pork. It's super yummy. Okay? Thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.